Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're stepping into a world of elegance, simplicity, and harmony as we explore the captivating beauty of traditional Japanese home exteriors. Japanese architecture is renowned for its timeless craftsmanship and deep connection to nature, and the exteriors of these homes reflect a balance that feels both intentional and serene. Imagine a structure that, at first glance, may seem humble, but upon closer inspection, reveals a world of intricate design choices and careful attention to detail. The exterior of a traditional Japanese home often features sloping tile roofs with beautifully curved eaves. These roofs aren't just aesthetically pleasing, they're designed to handle Japan's varied climate, from heavy rains to snowy winters. The eaves extend generously, protecting the walls from rain while also creating a cozy, sheltered outdoor space. The structure of these homes is typically low, merging seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, as if they've grown from the earth itself. Wood is a foundational material in these homes, typically left in its natural state to age gracefully with time. Cedar, cypress, and pine are popular choices, adding warmth and organic texture that's pleasing to the eye and inviting to the touch. This untreated wood evolves over the years, taking on rich, weathered tones that speak of longevity and resilience. Paired with natural stone or paper elements, these materials create a harmonious facade that's beautiful yet unassuming. Now, take a moment to picture a traditional ingawa, an open-air wooden porch or veranda that runs along the exterior of the home. This is more than just a design feature. It's a functional space that offers a fluid transition between the inside and outside. Residents can sit here to admire the natural world beyond, observing the seasons as they change. An engawa is an integral part of Japanese home life, designed to invite nature in without disturbing its peace, fostering a sense of mindfulness in everyday life. Traditional Japanese homes often include sliding doors, known as shoji, crafted with wooden frames and covered in translucent rice paper. These doors invite soft, filtered light into the interior spaces while preserving privacy. The shoji also bring an enchanting element to the exterior, as they glow from within at night, turning the home into a warm, lantern-like presence in the landscape. Even the entranceway, or genkan, is treated with respect. A simple, open entry that invites guests to remove their shoes, marking a physical and mental transition from the outside world into a place of tranquility. When we think of landscaping, traditional Japanese homes often have stone pathways and small entry gardens. These exterior features are carefully curated, never overgrown or wild, and instead use stone, gravel, and native plants, like moss and low-growing shrubs, to create a quiet introduction to the home. This outdoor simplicity enhances the home's design, allowing the building to shine rather than compete for attention. The garden may be small, but it's arranged in such a way that it suggests a larger, idealized natural world beyond. The roof lines of these homes are often asymmetrical, intentionally designed to create a sense of visual movement, guiding the eye from one element to the next. This layout is subtle but profound, highlighting the Japanese philosophy that beauty exists not in overt displays, but in quiet subtleties. Standing before one of these homes, there's a sense of calm and balance, a reminder that every detail has been thoughtfully placed to bring peace and unity with nature. Japanese architecture remains a timeless art, a marriage of structure and spirituality that has influenced design around the world. These traditional exteriors are an invitation to slow down, to appreciate not just what we see, but how we feel in the space. It's a reflection of a lifestyle that values simplicity, quality, and harmony with the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the art of Japanese home exteriors. If you're inspired by the elegance of these designs, leave a comment below on what resonated with you most. Don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more insights into the world's most captivating architecture and interiors.